What is the largest mammal in the world? Elephant, blue whale, giraffe, hippopotamus. The correct answer is blue whale. Which Disney character famously leaves a glass slipper behind at a ball? Snow White, Cinderella, Belle, Ariel. The correct answer is Cinderella. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Earth, Venus, Mercury, Mars. The correct answer is Mercury. What type of gas do humans breathe in to survive? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, helium. The correct answer is oxygen. What is the name of Mickey Mouse's girlfriend? Daisy, Minnie, Betty, Sally. The correct answer is Minnie. What is the capital of France? Madrid, Rome, Paris, Berlin. The correct answer is Paris. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. The correct answer is Mars. How many continents are there in the world? 5, 6, 7, 8. The correct answer is 7. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, Raphael, Van Gogh. The correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Which famous ship sank in 1912 after hitting an iceberg? Britannic, Titanic, Lusitania, Queen Mary. The correct answer is Titanic. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Gold, iron, diamond, quartz. The correct answer is diamond. Which is the fastest land animal? Horse, cheetah, leopard, antelope. The correct answer is cheetah. Which famous scientist proposed the 3 laws of motion? Galileo Galilei, Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Nikola Tesla. The correct answer is Isaac Newton. What is the capital city of Australia? Sydney, Melbourne, Canberra, Brisbane. The correct answer is Canberra. In which year was the United Nations founded? 1919, 1939, 1945, 1955. The correct answer is 1945. Which planet rotates on its side compared to others? Neptune, Uranus, Venus, Saturn. The correct answer is Uranus. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? Margaret Thatcher, Theresa May, Angela Merkel, Indira Gandhi. The correct answer is Margaret Thatcher. What is the national flower of Japan? Lotus, rose, cherry blossom, orchid. The correct answer is cherry blossom. Which country was formerly known as Persia? Turkey, Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan. The correct answer is Iran. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes, phalanges, patella, ulna. The correct answer is stapes. Which sport is known as the beautiful game? Basketball, soccer, tennis, rugby. The correct answer is soccer. Who is the author of Harry Potter? J.R.R. Tolkien, C.S. Lewis, J.K. Rowling, Suzanne Collins. The correct answer is J.K. Rowling. Which vitamin do we get mostly from sunlight? Vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin D. The correct answer is vitamin D. What is the value of pi rounded to 2 decimal places? 2.13, 3.14, 3.41, 4.13. The correct answer is 3.14. What is the square root of 144? 10, 11, 12, 13. The correct answer is 12. Which famous scientist is known for the phrase Eureka? Archimedes, Aristotle, Socrates, Pythagoras. The correct answer is Archimedes. Which country invented paper? Egypt, China, Greece, India. The correct answer is China. Which Shakespeare play features the characters Rosencrantz and Guildenstern? Macbeth, Othello, Hamlet, King Lear. The correct answer is Hamlet. Which instrument has keys, pedals, and strings? Guitar, piano, violin, harp. The correct answer is piano. What is the capital of New Zealand? Sydney, Wellington, Auckland, Christchurch. The correct answer is Wellington. What is the perimeter of a square with side length 5, 10, 15, 20, 25? The correct answer is 20.